Hello, it's the 21st of August 2019 and I've just come out the front and seen some very strange formations in the sky. You can see there, look, lines everywhere. It doesn't look normal to me, that. Maybe that's another sign from Jehovah that the Watchtower is going to fall very soon. I'm expecting a stock market crash to happen first before Watchtower falls, but as you can see, there are very strange formations in the sky. I don't know what to say. Just lines in the sky, look. I know other YouTube people on YouTube have been saying that the clouds are not the same as they used to be, but it does look very odd, these lines in the sky. But as you can see, very strange formations. I think it's a sign from Jehovah, obviously. I've had so many cloud formations out this front of my house over the last few months. It has been a bit strange, but there you go. Anyway, I think I'm going to leave it there. Okay, bye.